Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a group chat on TikTok. So go to inbox and press the plus button chat thing on the top right corner, and select the people you want to be in the group chat. Then you're just going to press start group chat. It is that simple, but I'm not going to click on any of them because I don't want to just create a group chat. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!